Hey Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ay inyong Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 2, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 3, 2023. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button para po updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano po ang energy today ni Fire Signs ngayong September 2. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng stagnation or inability to move forward. Nagkaroon ng unsuccessful project, or you are feeling loss or defeat. Nagkaroon kayo ng confusion. You have lack of confidence around a specific goal, or lack of focus, or loss of direction. Masyado kayong may maraming iniisip ngayon. May away na ganap kasi hindi successful yung plano or hindi maka-move on. The advice is you need to create a concrete plan in order to regain momentum. Magkaroon ng impulse control in order to grow and take action in a positive direction. This is also a warning of moving quickly or nagkaroon ka ng hesitation to take an action. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon kayo ng impatience or lack of planning. Naiinip ka na at mabilis na pagkilos mula sa isang lugar o sobrang kaguluhan. So this is the confirmation na you are moving quickly or nag-decision ka ng mabilis na hindi pinag-iisipan ng maayos, dahan-dahan lang at magsaliksik, one step at a time. May ilan din sa inyo may hinihintay na tao na gumawa ng hakbang bago ka kumilos. May iniwan ka na hindi mo binigyan ng pansin. Ilan din sa inyo na dapat mag-ingat. May parating na sorpresang posibleng di kaaya-aya. What's your message po for Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong September 2? Solitude. In silence, peace prevails. Distant thunder, clear the air. So let's see your career and money, Fire Signs. This is the confirmation na malalim talaga ang inyong iniisip ngayong araw na ito. Nagkaroon kayo ng overthinking, overanalyzing the situations, sa iyong problema. And some of you are waiting or nagkaroon ng hesitation. So this card is the confirmation. This is the third card. Nagkaroon kayo ng hesitation, confusion. May parating na pagsasakripisyo o pagsusuko, bagamat ihanda ang sarili kung karapat-dapat ba ito. Nag-iisip ka dito pero hindi ka gumagalaw. Nagkaroon ka ng pag-aantay o delay. So this is the second card na nagkaroon ng confirmation na nagkaroon kayo ng delay na pag-aantay. So it might be kaperahan, kontrata, or sa isang tao. This card asks you to try to invest your time wisely while you wait. This card tells you na look at the world from a different perspective. Nag-iisip ka ng malalim. You want to be alone muna. Nag-iisip ka ng plano or sa isang sitwasyon kung paano ba bigyan ng tamang solusyon ang problema. Babalik ka lang kung ma-restore yung energy mo by spending time with yourself. Para pagbalik mo, you will feel your energy restored. So, naubos yung energy mo, na-drain yung energy mo sa kakaisip, sa pag-overanalyze sa isang situation. So, This may be the confirmation na nagkaroon kayo ng problema sa inyong career at kaperahan. So, binabalanse mo na maigi. Nagkaroon ng pagbalanse. Nag-iisip ka ng solusyon sa iyong problema sa buhay, kaperahan at karera. So, let's see your love and romance. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng moving on from the past or moving on sa mga alitan nyo lately. This card is a hope sign. Naka-move on ka na sa lahat ng unos na nagdaanan at tanggap mo na ang mga nangyayari. Pinatawad mo na sila at higit sa lahat ang sarili mo. Nagkaroon ng healing and growth sa araw na ito. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng emotional distance. You are feeling insecure. May taong self-centered. May tao rin dito na hindi binavalue ang love mo. Meron din ako nakikitang nagsiselos o naiingit sa'yo. This card may be asking you na mag-open ka sa taong may issue sa'yo without worrying about being rejected or judged. So, communication is the key. Kung may tao sa buhay mo who has proven themselves na untrustworthy sila, better to have a healthy disconnection. Let's see your love message, fire signs. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transform all things. So, magkaroon kayo ng transformation ngayon, either single or in a relationship. What's the advice pa po for fire signs today? September 2. The answers you need are coming. What is the angel's advice, archangel's advice, spirit guides? Message from Archangel Gabriel. Shimmer with diamond light. Express your creativity. That is your reading today, fire signs. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.